Did you know that prostate cancer is one of the most common cancers in men? It's a serious condition, but it's often treatable when detected early. That's why today, we're going to talk about the 7 early signs of prostate cancer that you absolutely shouldn't ignore. We'll delve into the specifics of each sign, explaining why it occurs and what it might feel like. Knowledge is power, and understanding these signs could be life-saving. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and shouldn't be considered medical advice. Always consult with your doctor for personalized guidance. Now let's dive in and empower ourselves with the knowledge to take control of our health. Our first sign involves changes in your urination habits. Have you noticed yourself needing to go more frequently, especially at night? Are you having difficulty starting or stopping your stream? Or maybe you've observed a weaker flow than usual. These changes could be indicative of an enlarged prostate, a condition known as benign prostatic hyperplasia, which is common in men as they age. While BPH itself isn't cancerous, these urinary symptoms can also be early signs of prostate cancer, so it's crucial not to brush them off. Remember, any noticeable and persistent change in your urination pattern warrants a conversation with your doctor. Early detection is key, and addressing these symptoms promptly can make a significant difference. Don't hesitate to reach out to your healthcare provider if you're experiencing any of these changes. They can assess your individual situation and determine the best course of action. Moving on to our second sign, let's talk about pelvic discomfort. This can manifest as a persistent pain or discomfort in the area between your rectum and scrotum. Prostate cancer can sometimes cause pain or pressure in the pelvic region. This discomfort might be constant or come and go, and it's important not to ignore it. If you're experiencing pelvic discomfort, it's essential to consult with your doctor to determine the underlying cause. They can perform a physical exam and recommend further tests if necessary. Remember, pain is your body's way of signaling that something might be wrong, so listen to it and seek medical advice. Now, this next sign is a major red flag that you should never ignore: blood in your urine or semen. While it can be alarming, it's important to remember that blood in the urine, also known as hematuria, doesn't always indicate cancer. However, it's crucial to rule out any serious conditions. Similarly, blood in the semen, medically known as hematospermia, can also be a sign of prostate problems. If you notice blood in your urine or semen, even if it's just a small amount, it's crucial to see your doctor immediately. They can perform tests to determine the cause and recommend appropriate treatment if needed. Remember, early detection is key when it comes to any health concern, and this is especially true for potential cancer signs. Now let's talk about a sensitive topic that many men hesitate to discuss: erectile dysfunction. It's important to understand that erectile dysfunction can have various underlying causes, both physical and psychological. While it's not always a sign of prostate cancer, in some cases it can be linked. The prostate gland plays a role in erectile function, and prostate cancer or its treatments can sometimes affect this. If you're experiencing erectile dysfunction, it's essential to speak to your doctor. They can help determine the cause and recommend appropriate treatment options. Remember, there's no shame in seeking help for erectile dysfunction, and addressing it can improve both your physical and mental well-being. Moving on, let's address another potentially uncomfortable symptom: painful ejaculation. While occasional discomfort during ejaculation might not be a cause for concern, persistent pain could indicate an underlying issue, including prostate problems. The prostate gland is involved in the ejaculation process, and inflammation or other issues with the prostate can lead to pain. If you're experiencing pain during ejaculation, it's essential to consult with your doctor. They can help determine the cause and recommend appropriate treatment. Don't hesitate to discuss this sensitive topic with your healthcare provider, as they are there to support your overall health and well-being. Now this next sign is a bit more general, but it's still important to be aware of unexplained weight loss. While many factors can contribute to weight loss, sudden and unintentional weight loss can sometimes be a symptom of an underlying medical condition, including cancer. If you're experiencing unexplained weight loss, especially if it's significant or accompanied by other symptoms, it's crucial to consult with your doctor. They can perform a thorough evaluation to determine the cause and recommend appropriate treatment if necessary. Remember, it's always better to err on the side of caution and seek medical advice if you notice any unusual changes in your body. And now, last signs we have for you. Finally, let's talk about bone pain, particularly in the hips, thighs, or lower back. While bone pain can have various causes, in some cases it can be a sign of advanced prostate cancer that has spread to the bones. This type of bone pain might be persistent or come and go, and it can range in intensity from mild to severe. If you're experiencing persistent bone pain, especially if it's unexplained or accompanied by other symptoms, it's crucial to consult with your doctor. They can perform a physical exam, order imaging tests, and recommend appropriate treatment if necessary. So there you have it, the 7 early signs of prostate cancer you shouldn't ignore. Remember, early detection is key when it comes to prostate cancer. If you experience any of these symptoms, please don't hesitate to schedule an appointment with your doctor. What are your thoughts on this crucial topic? Have you experienced any of these symptoms or know someone who has? Share your experiences and questions in the comments below. Let's start a conversation and support each other. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Top Health Tips channel for more informative videos on men's health. Thanks for watching, and remember, your health is your wealth.